true about Linea aspera? Options are forms lateral border of femur, forms medial border of femur, continues as gluteal tuberosity, or none of the above. The correct answer is C, continues as gluteal tuberosity. Second question is Hunterian perforators are seen in upper thigh, lower thigh, calf, or mid thigh. The correct answer is D, mid thigh. Next one is internal spermatic fascia is derived from external oblique muscle, internal oblique muscle, fascia transversalis, or Colles fascia. Here the correct answer is C, fascia transversalis. If the question is external spermatic fascia, then the answer could be external oblique muscle. Next question. Portal vein supplies. Options are spleen, liver, pancreas, or colon. Portal vein supplies liver. Liver gets its supply, 20% supply from the hepatic artery and the 80% of its supply from the portal vein. Next one is collecting part of kidney develops from pronephros, mesonephros, metanephros, or ureteric bud. Collecting part of kidney develops from the ureteric bud, but the excretory part of kidney, it develops from metanephros. Next question, nerve running along with profunda brachii artery in spiral groove. Ulnar nerve, median nerve, radial nerve, or none. In spiral groove, we have radial nerve along with profunda brachii. Next is, in which of the following vessels transverse mesocolon seen? Right colic artery, left colic artery, middle colic, or ileocolic artery? Here the correct answer is C, middle colic artery. Main blood supply to the head and neck of femur comes from lateral circumflex femoral artery, medial circumflex femoral artery, artery of ligamentum teres, or popliteal artery. The correct answer is medial circumflex femoral artery. Retinacular branches and epiphyseal branches, they supply the head and neck of femur. Pubic symphysis is which type of joint? Composite, fibrous joint, primary cartilaginous, or secondary cartilaginous? Pubic symphysis it is a midline joint of body, so it is a secondary cartilaginous joint. Which level the somites initially form? At the level of thoracic, cervical, lumbar, or sacral? The correct answer is cervical level. First pair of somites forms at the cervical level.